Check it out, everybody. We have Jif Power Ups. These are soft baked bars. They're Snickerdoodle flavored. And that's, what do you think of that? The box is even textured. Feel that?
Yeah. I think it would be a good kid, snack after school.
Well, all our kids are grown and out of school.
I was thinking other kids,
And I'm the biggest kid I know.
I know you are, dear.
The taste the kids love. And there are approximately 5 bars in here. That's how the package would look like. Soft bake. One for you. And I'm going to have one. So that leaves 3. So I don't know how much these cost. These were donated to us for the purpose of a video and eating. So, alright. The bottom is kind of like a candy bar surface.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and then the front of it, it's just kind of, it's just solid inside. I set this down, it's getting all over my fingers, making a huge mess. Want to open it for you? There. There you go. That's got a really good flavor. It's really peanut buttery. My hair's a mess, that's why I got my hoodie up. Enjoy by this date for maximum freshness. January 26th of 2020. I'd have to say they're expired. That's probably why they were donated to us. No matter, they're still fresh. They really are. They taste good. Yeah. Here's the nutritional information, everybody. I know our camera is a little bit pixelated and grainy. I apologize for that. Our good camera's broken. So we got used to the one from the phone, crappy camera, whatever. So what do you think?
Good.
What are you tasting?
Peanut butter.
Anything else?
The Snickerdoodle.
Yeah, I have to agree. The bottom is like an added layer of peanut butter on there, ain't it?
Almost.
It's just like the bottom of a candy bar texture kind of looking and everything. See, I'll get it close up there. That's the bottom. There's the side. You can see the Snickerdoodle stuff in there. And then there's the top. The whole thing's textured just like that. That's pretty good. I like it. I'll have to look this up, and if I can find the price on it, I'll put it in the description. So we both know. It says first ingredient is peanuts. And that says no corn syrup, 5 grams of protein per serving. And they're really good. Hey, I thought you were going to grab my last piece. So, let's give this a rating, honey.
I rate it 4.5.
I'll give it a 4. And there you have it, everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Go out and give this a try if you haven't already. I'm not sure the price, like I said, but we'll get it figured out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And check out our playlist. We have lots of playlists. I try to keep all these different things separate so they're easier to find. And this one will probably be on the candy and snacks playlist. So anyways, there you have it. We're out of here. Catch y'all later. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.